Good morning. You know, oftentimes when we're doing YouTube videos, they are picture perfect. The lighting is perfect. Everything somehow seems to be in place so that videos can be more attractive and be able to get more people to like it because the setting is such a perfect setting. But this morning I am in Maluti-a-Phofung, and I've got a very beautiful story that I wanted to share with people. It sort of reminded me of our South African culture of rights. So often an overemphasis is made on rights, and everybody is in a position to express their rights. But very often little is said about the civic duties that citizens have in our country. The responsibilities that on a day-to-day we need to execute in order to ensure that the system of democracy works. Now, as a lawyer, these are important things that we need to take into account when we are trying to build a society. It is important that we ensure that every single South African is aware of their rights, but it's more important also to understand their obligations, what they themselves as citizens need to do in order to ensure that they build a better society and a better future for generations to come. So the story I'm about to share is the story of young people that have decided that on a day like this, they'll wake up very early in the morning and start to clean their municipal offices or in and around their municipal offices. What is strange is that they are not many in number, but they are such a beautiful bunch. They're picking up papers, plastics, bottles, and cleaning up around municipal offices. And I thought that these are the type of young people that we need in order to build a better society and a better future for our country. Active citizenry. This is not one of those stories where we quote fancy sections and articles in fancy law books, but a real story of young people making a difference in their day-to-day lives. If we would take time in various quotas where we are and really taking action, simple steps, and contribute in a constructive way, it is my submission, ladies and gentlemen, that we can surely ensure that we become better, not only as a people, as a nation, but as a country. This is the attitude, ladies and gentlemen, that should be emulated all across the four corners of our country. Every province, every town, every city. Young people, let's go out there in the small ways. Let's find things, programs that we can engage ourselves in and build a better world for ourselves. So I'm very excited to be picking up papers, to be getting my hands dirty. And if you're going to complain about how bad the quality of my pictures are, how unprepared I look, sorry for you. Your heart is in the wrong place. So ladies and gentlemen, as I'm joining young people cleaning up our city, in our town, my hometown of Phuthaditjhaba, I'm excited, and I would want to challenge you to invite the advocate on any other project that you might be engaged in, where we can emphasize the importance of civic duties, the responsibilities that you have as a citizen. So thank you very much, young people. Keep on doing good.